Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be doing the last 4 sums of our exercise 4.2. That is, see, question number 20 says, a girl fills a cylindrical bucket 32 centimeter in height and 18 centimeter in radius with the sand. Okay, so here we have the cylinder. (32 centimeter) height, 18 centimeter radius. She empties the bucket on the ground and makes a conical heap of the sand. Okay, so the sand is here. Now when we are taking out the sand, they are making a conical heap. Okay, so this is the conical heap of the sand. This is your sand. Now she empties it and makes a conical heap. If the height of the conical heap is 24 centimeter, so this height is 24 centimeter. Find the radius and the slant height of the heap. So we have to find this radius and the slant height, this L of the cone. It's very easy. See, we know that we have taken out the sand from the cylinder and then we formed this. Now you can say that volume of cylinder will be equal to this volume of conical heap. The volume of the sand in cylinder and that volume of conical heap of sand, both will be equal. So volume of sand in cylinder is in that cylinder shape. So you can say pi r square h will be equal to 1/3 of pi r square h. We can write here r is radius of cone, radius of cylinder, and same for the h also. H is height of cylinder, h is height of cone. Okay, so now pi will be cancelled. R square is 18 square, so this will be 18 multiply 18. Height is 32 is equal to 1/3. R we don't know, this is the R, so we don't know that, and height is 24 centimeter. So 3, 8 and 8, when you cancel this, it will be 4. So R square will be 18 into 18 into 4, that will be around, you can write it as 4 can be written as 2 and it can be 18 because it is R square. 18 cross 18 cross 4 is your R square. So your R will be 18 cross 2. Simple. See how I have written is, understand this. If it is 18 cross 18 cross 4, you can write it as 18 cross 18 cross 2 into 2. This is your R square. So you can write R is equal to 18 cross 2, that is 36. It means the radius is 36 centimeter. Now you have to find the slant height. Therefore slant height L will be L square is equal to h square plus R square. H is 24 square, radius is 36 square, that is your L square. It means L square is equal to 1296 plus 576, that is 1872. So your L will be 12 root 13 centimeter. This is your slant height of the conical heap. Okay, now next question we have here is question number 21. A hollow sphere of internal and external radii 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Okay, so we can say it as, suppose this is the sphere you have. Now internal radii is 6, so this is 6, external is 8, external means this till here, it will be 8. Now is melted and recasted into small cones of base radius 2 centimeter, small cones, radius is 2 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Okay, find the number of cones formed. See, very easy. Again, volume of cones, volume of each cone will be equal to volume of hollow sphere. Volume of each cone multiply how many cones are there. So you can say let n be the number of cones, because we do not know that how many cones can be formed. Okay, so we have to find that number of cones only, so that we are supposing it as n. Simple. Now volume of hollow sphere is 4 by 3 pi of r cube minus small r cube. Simple, because big radius is 8, smaller is 6, and volume of cone will be 1 by 3 pi radius square, you can name it as r1, and h multiply by n. You can write here r1 is radius of cone. Okay, so writing this, you can say n multiply 1 by 3 pi r square is which one? See, this is the radius of the cone, 2 centimeter given. So again this 2 centimeter is only the square here. Okay, so I can say multiply 4. Height given is 8. This is the height, 8, 4 by 3 pi 8 cube minus 6 cube. So you can write here 3 cancel. Oops. You can say 3 cancel, pi cancel, 4 cancel. So 8n is equal to 8 cube is 512 minus 6 cube is 216. So n is equal to 37. Therefore 37 cones can be made. Simple enough. Now after that, question number 22. See, it says a vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Okay, its height is 8 centimeter. Okay, and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. This is 5. It is filled with water up to the brim. Okay, so full of water. See, we have red water. Okay, hey, it is water only, it is not red wine, it is red water. Up to the brim. Brim means the where it is the upper limit. Okay, when lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter, there are so many lead shots. Okay, suppose these are the lead shots. Okay, it cannot be of red color because water is red, so you can say these are the lead shots. Okay, now which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter are dropped into the vessel. Okay, we are dropping this into the vessel. 1/4 of the water flows out. Oh my god, so water is flowing out. Okay, so water is flowing out. How much water is flown out? 1/4 water is flown out. Find the number of lead shots dropped into the vessel. See, it's very easy. I can write here that volume of lead shots, see, whatever volume of lead shots is there, we have put into the cone. So the volume which has come out of water from that vessel, that is the volume of lead shots. How much volume has came out? You will say 1/4 of volume of water has come out. So you can say how many lead shots are there? So we can write here, let n number of lead shots. So n multiply volume of sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube 1/4 1/3 pi r square h. So this is radius of sphere r1. R1 is radius of sphere and r is radius of cone. So you can say that n multiply 4 by 3, pi cancel, 4 by 3 2, radius is 0.5, 0.5 cube, this will become 1 by 4. Actually 3 and 3 can be cancelled here, so here we can remove this 3, 1 by 4. R square is 5 square into height is 8. Solving this, you will get n as n 4, 0.5 is cube, so you can say 5 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 5 by 10, 1 by 4 into 5 into 5 into 8. Okay, now we will write 5, 5, 2 5s will be cancelled, 4 and 2 will be cancelled, 5 and this it will become 2. So this is nothing but n by 200 is equal to 2 and 4 is cancelled, so 2, 1 by 2. So this will be n is equal to 100. Okay, it means how many lead shots are put? You can say therefore 100 lead shots into water. Simple. Find the number of lead shots dropped into the vessel. 100 lead shots you have to drop in the vessel. Now, last question of the chapter and this exercise. See, a container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter of 12 centimeter. So, if diameter is 12 centimeter, radius will be 6 centimeter, height is 15 centimeter. It is full of ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height. Okay, now we have to fill cones. Cones of ice cream. Height is 12 centimeter. Diameter is 6, means the radius is 3. Having a hemispherical shape on the top. Okay, so the hemispherical shape, you have to make this shape also. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. See, very simple. It means the volume of ice cream in cylinder is equal to number of cones. Let n be the number of cones. Now n multiply with, see, volume of cone plus volume of that hemisphere. It means volume of cone is, you can write it, pi r square h is equal to n 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r1 cube. R1 is the radius of hemisphere. Okay, now pi will be common, n into 1 by 3 and pi can be common here. Pi n and 1 by 3. Now inside will be r square h plus 2 of r1 cube. Here it will be pi r square h. Pi cancel. Now r square h will be 6 square into 15 n 1 by 3. R square h here will be, the volume of the cone radius is 3, so 3 square, height is 12 plus 2 Radius of hemisphere is also 3. 2 into 3 cube. Solving this, it will become 6 6 are 36, multiply 15, multiply 3. Which 3? See, this 3 have gone this side, okay. Now is equal to n 3 3s are 9 into 12 plus 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 into 2. It will be 108 plus 54. This is 36, multiply 15, multiply 3. I am not solving this because ultimately it will be cut. Okay. I can write it as 36 into 15 into 3 divided by 154, 160, 162. So, can say 318, 3 5s are 15, 4, 18 2s are, 18 3s are. So, n will be is equal to 10. It means how many cones of ice cream you can make? You can make totally 10 cones which can be filled with the ice cream. Therefore, 10 cones of ice cream. By this, our chapter number 4 is completed. Thank you so much.